Hello everyone, this side Chavi. I hope you all are doing great. Today we will do the sixth part of chapter Election and Representation from Pol Science. In this we will cover from page number 72 to 74 of your NCERT book. But before I proceed, please I request you all to like, share and subscribe this channel for all the latest updates. Beta, in our previous video, we learned that how India has tried to make election process free and fair. We learned about the two measures. The first one is the acceptance of universal adult franchise and freedom to contest election. And the second one was the establishment of an independent election commission. So today we will learn about the various suggestions given by different scholars for reforming. Reforming means bringing certain change in our election system. And these suggestions we will learn in the electoral reforms. Some suggestions we will learn today and I will explain all the suggestions to you. So listen it carefully. The first suggestion is that election system should be changed from FPTP, means first past the post, to proportional reservation system. Why? Because PR system allows better representation of communities given in the diversity of the country. But as you know that in FPTP, each voter has one vote and a candidate is elected from a constituency according to that. And we know that in FPTP, whosoever gets the highest vote will win, even if the candidate may win with 35% of votes, while his opponents gets 34% or 30% votes respectively. But this is not the same in PR system. It has many variants and it allows equal seats. So various scholars prefer to have PR system over FPTP in India. The another suggestion is that there are certain provisions made that at least 1/3 of the seats are reserved in rural and urban local bodies for women candidates. As we learned about the reserved constituencies, in that we had set certain seats for SCs, STs. I told you that in Lok Sabha, 84 seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and 47 for the scheduled tribe. So just like that, the women's also required certain number of seats to be reserved in parliament assemblies. So the third suggestion is that the strict measures to control money and muscle power. And because of this, according to election law, the model code of conduct, no party or candidate can spend more than rupees 25 lakh in a constituency for a Lok Sabha election and rupees 10 lakh in a constituency in an assembly election. So beta, the candidates and parties with a lot of money, they may not be sure of their victory, but because of their use of money, it will lead to an unfair advantage over smaller parties. So their expense need to be controlled. This is the third suggestion. The fourth is that the criminals should be banned from contesting election. In some parts of the country, candidates with criminal connection have been able to push others out of the electoral race and even secure tickets from major parties because of their muscle power. So it should not be a part of the election process. Third is that ban on the use of caste and religious speech. No one can appeal the voters in the name of caste or religion because it will influence the decision of the people. Next one is regulate functioning of political parties and ensure that they function in a democratic and transparent manner. And why? Because only then they remain accountable to the people and people can check their progress. The last one is that to have free and fair election, people should be more vigilant and political parties, candidates should abide by democratic aspiration. You must be knowing that very often election offer little choice to ordinary citizens. So it is very much required that people play a very vital role. People need to know about their rights, their duties, and only then, when they are vigilant, they can have a good control on the political parties and the candidates. So these are certain suggestions which are actually we learn in the electoral reforms. In the end, this is a picture, a cartoon given on page number 73 of your book. There's one question written just below the picture, that should a person accused of a serious crime be bad, means not allowed from contesting elections? So what is the reason why he's not allowed? I mentioned three reasons over here: that a criminal person can threaten the voters, they believe in bullet system, not in ballot, means not in voting, he or she can use muscle and money power, and these all are prohibited in a democratic election, should not be a part of the democratic election process. So this is all for today. I hope you have understood electoral reforms and this cartoon. Thank you. So in the end, this is one question which I have given you from your today's topic. Do it in your register. Have a nice day, everyone. Stay safe.